Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotel Tours. We are at our second hotel in Allentown, Pennsylvania after that horrible Howard Johnson. This is room 2, queen beds. Entry area. Little tap in the door. Security good. Here's a little wet bar area. Everything's clean. Bathroom nice, updated. Bathroom occupied. Some little wardrobe area. Got some nice lit stuff here. Nice new safe, iron board and stuff. Got nice outlets. This port actually works. You can plug in so you don't have to fish behind the TV. Got my Roku plugged in there. Nice lamp, desk, some international plugins. Filters. Filters are dirty. The window could, I don't know if you can see that, but the window was could be cleaned. And we got some wallpaper here. Lamp, backlit, headboard, comfortable bed. Smells like new mattresses. Here's our nightstands. I would show you the address for this hotel, but it's not there. Alice USBs. This hotel was renovated at some point to the newer Holiday Inn Express rooms. You can tell older hotel because of the ceilings, but we got some stains on the carpet here and there, like right here. This place is a little rough around the edges. The only thing to know in the bathroom, it's updated and all. Here, regular updated Holiday Inn Express bathroom. If you want to see what one of those looks like, I have any other Holiday Inn Express videos. You can go check them out at other locations. But there's need some paint on the ceiling in the bathroom, but that's just it. Everything's clean. You've got little stuff like this. It's a little bit more rough than other Holiday Inn Expresses I stayed at, but it's all good. You've got older locks in the door right there, but they do have a free breakfast here. Here's the breakfast times, room 208, Wi-Fi. Here's the breakfast times right there for the free breakfast. I don't know if they're doing hot breakfast or not because of COVID, but they are doing a hot breakfast. Well, they are doing breakfast. I don't know if it's hot. They do not have a pool. They do have a fitness center. So, we've got some little stains on the carpet, but she's a little rough for a Holiday Inn Express. I stayed at a little nicer ones, but newer furniture. It is renovated. This is a older Holiday Inn Express, you can tell, but they did renovate it. But all I know is got the nice IC linens, got a nice comfortable bed. Sleep good in this tonight, backlit headboard. I think another paint of the room, but it's a nice clean place. If you're here at the if you're here Holiday Inn Express, if you're here in Allentown, Pennsylvania, Holiday Inn and Suites, Holiday Express and then Suites, Allentown, Pennsylvania, could be your place. If you like what you see, please like, share, subscribe, and KW out.